I dare America now. Come fight me here. Hey, it is also for more. What if you honor Obofour boxing? Hey, Radical Christ, I say domestic violence only destroy lives and families. Hey, hello, we're talking about Obofowaa and the saga that has been unfolded between her and Diamond Appiah. So, as we all know, Obofowaa has been in America for the past couple of years. Prior to her going to America, we heard a lot of speculation that Obofour has been cheating left, front, right, and center. And in fact, he had once brought 3 children from side chicks. And this was taken from bestshowbiz.com. That Obofour has brought in 3 stepchildren from his side chicks. Actually, that did not sit well with Obofowaa, and definitely it wouldn't sit well with me neither, especially given the platform that Obofour stands on. So then there was another video that was shown on Gatsbygh online that showed a tape of a gentleman revealing the infidelity that Obofowaa is enduring from her marriage. And in fact, in that tape, we heard that
exclusive
from Gatsbygh online.
And then kasa seshe na man dey say no muti o munya ska na onu kra na wari so for no Obofour uni e ma wa ko di abefia e si Obofour fi okwa e ma no ma onu na yiri ti no mpra wa twetwe wa wo nkra me nsa it's Obofour no e yiri no ma wotumi na fo se wonya abotre se za yo no bi akwo wa e ma no en kasa di oni ni ja wonya abotre no ko ye so fo ma me no ani ko so ye so fo e ma no na wo twetwe ni awo wo be fi o okra ni asema to yes, I'm to they say, Obofour didn't say they are. They took a search. You would the problem in the fashion, Obanis in the slip. I want to miss Rupa, Minia Hook. The money per ma. Tell the man, the job Obofour you to the first anaja. We did not want to do about the we say no. Fascinating Zion was if you
exclusive from Gatsbygh online.
But on a dear. Money demand Zion for full.
Exclusive from Gatsbygh online.
Just as a man Zion, Fiat a crib, why, energy, with your moody yellow.
Exclusive from Gatsbygh online.
Now, show me Zion or pay, Perican, why?
Was the guy stated that Obofowaa was advising somebody who was going through marital issues, giving her issues as an example. That, gave way to people speculating that she is enduring infidelity and other issues in her marriage. Then, when Obofowaa went to America, we saw another post on ghanawedding.com that captioned, "I have served you proper breakfast. I dare America now. Come fight me here." Hey, it is also for more. What if you honor Obofour boxing? Hey, Radical Christ, I say domestic violence only destroy lives and families. Hey, Radical Christ, anyway, according to speculations and rumors, Queen Ciarra is working as a nanny or a living. And hence people are speculating that she's under financial stress. Boss lady came out to actually enra adajin kra so tibia or niku na frefra de compare shutdown in the school and ya dia Radical Christ. It's here that you say anyway as Obofour no say o twa Obofour no nem sa kofra Obofowaa say wonye be me bia sebi na wonni sika wo sika you brag wo sika and ka wo ma we and conquer America no yet living. Living and no Radical Christ. Abrochre definitely mellows you because once you come here, you see, say, Braboneding, and then Ubasu Vienna, who say, my pim, and say, I must do something. Oh, Ghana and I bring Abrochre or make a where paradise. Who drew her now, be real life. And Abrabono as a Abrochre mellows you a lot. We can see from just this photo, say, Obofowaa has been mellowed, has been subdued by Abroche Kakra. However, her working as a living isn't anything to be ridiculed. It pays money. America, social media, and then I confuse and then oh Lord have mercy. Can you guys leave Obofowaa alone? Obofowaa, can you guys leave her alone to mind her own damn business? And a job is a job. She's not prostituting herself, she's not shoplifting, she is working. And that's exactly what she should be doing to empower herself. It's okay. It's okay. Miss Diamond Appiah, you've done a lot of investment legitimately. That's when you see up. That's also okay. She's also working to gain independence. At least Nikuno, as there, has given her independence. What you say? Obofour can still be there. Ripping people off in the name of church to support the wife for but maybe he's not doing that. Maybe the woman doesn't want that because he wants to be independent as well. Not independent as single woman, but independent financially to also help the family. It helps scale anyway. Leave her alone. Damn, I'm all for women. I'm all for women empowerment whatsoever. Leave people alone. Let them enjoy. However, if you bring it to social media, we are also help you to carry it along. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment, okay? Thank you so much for all sharing. I appreciate Marijata. I appreciate all the people that help blow it out of proportion. Gatsbygh TV, thank you so much also for sharing the videos that I did on Berima, Osei Mensah and wife Anita. That is a video that I'm talking about that Marijata also shared. Thank you so much for doing that. And I've seen a lot of high profile people actually also watching my videos. A long time of hard work is kind of coming to a fruitful end, and I really like the trajectory and the path that is going. So thank you all for continuously supporting, and all the people that also have tuned in from beginning to this time when actually I was very insignificant. Right now it's not so bad. I'm not like all the way out, but as far as I'm concerned, I'm being heard in the community. So thank you so much for Ghanaian supporters. Thank you so much for all my supporters out there, my co-workers and everything. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. Mwah.